Hello everyone, my name is Sayed and in this video I'm going to tell you about our new website on which you can design your products as per your requirements. Just to let you know that we are the manufacturer of apparel and sportswears based in Pakistan. We can manufacture goods for you with your required design and according to your requirements. So we offer complete customization. We offer all kind of printing, embroidery, and other services. All you need to do is just get in touch with us with your requirements, and we will make your product as per your requirement. You can know more about us by clicking on the YouTube video available on the main page of our website and can know how you can get a price code from our side. To know about the wide range of products that we offer, please take your mouse cursor to all products and then you'll be able to see the complete details of the products that we offer.
Oh, yeah.
For example, I'm going to click on sublimation t-shirts and now you will be able to see like different designs. At the bottom of the page you will be able to find the option where you can click in order to open a quote request form where you can fill in your details, attach the design that you want to be printed on the shirts, and submit your inquiry. Our first available representative will get back to you as soon as possible with the best possible price code, including the shipping charges to your doorstep. Now you can move your mouse cursor to Design Products button and you'll be able to see the number of products that you can click and design it yourself online on our website. First, we are going to click on Design and Buy. When we'll click, we'll be able to see all the products that are available to be designed online on our website. I'm going to move my mouse cursor to Design Products tab on the website. It will give me the options to choose the product that I want to design. Now I'm going to click on one of the items, which is Customize T-shirt option. I'm going to click Start Designing. It is going to load the designer. It will open up the designer in the full screen mode, but I'll go ahead and click on E button on the left top corner to minimize the screen so that I can design it properly. Now I can choose the color for each panel and customize t-shirt as per my requirements. You can see the upload button also on the left side. You can click on it and can upload any picture, any design that you want to be printed on the shirt. And then you can click on Get a Quote and can submit your quote request for the best possible pricing from our end. Now I'm going to move my mouse cursor to Design Products tab on the website. It will give me the options to choose the product that I want to design. And I'll go ahead and click Hoodies. Selected one of the hoodie design, clicked on Start Design. Again, I'm gonna click on that E button on the left top corner. It will give me a better view. You can see that it shows the option of back also to design. I'm gonna customize the front of the hoodie right now, and then I'll click on black. I'll customize the back of it. Again, you can always click on upload button and can upload the design that you want to be printed on it. You can select the quantity, you can select the sizes. Once you're done, again, you can go ahead and submit your quote request by clicking on Get a Quote. Good news is that we offer 24/7 live chat support, so whenever you need any kind of assistance, please feel free to click on live chat support and get the assistance that you need. Please follow and like our social media profiles to view the previous work that we have done in last many years. At the end, you are requested to click subscribe button on our page. Thank you very much for your time today.